Hi everyone and welcome to the Timeless History channel with me, Deric, aka Sal, the Omega Enthusiast. Once again, Baltic Watches has contacted me to do another collaboration video on one of their watches. This time they sent me a beautiful piece from their MR01 collection, which got sold out from the first launch in October 2021. A relaunch also got sold out in November of last year, and the new restock will happen this June 1st. But before you head over to their website and pre-order or try and purchase one on the release date, watch this video first as I candidly review this watch. You can find a brief history of the brand and founder inside the instructional booklet. Baltic is a French watch company introduced in 2017, where the watch is assembled in France. You can find almost any type of watch on their website to suit your taste. After watching this video, you can find a link to another review episode I made last year on their Aquascape model in the description box below. Anyhow, without further ado, let's begin this episode. You can purchase any Baltic watches directly on their website, and I will leave a link in the description box below. There are three MR01 designs. You have the salmon dial, blue dial, and silver dial. Each design comes with several leather strap and metal bracelet choices, but I decided to stick to their default color choice for the silver tone dial piece. When I saw this watch for the first time on social media, I was astonished by its look and thought this collection would sell quickly. And now that I have this opportunity to handle and examine one in person, it transcended my expectation. I'm not getting paid to promote this watch, but I honestly have to admit that this watch looks fantastic on the wrist. I have a small wrist of only 6 inches and usually wear watches between 32 to 36 millimeters, excluding the crown. This Baltic MR01 has a 36 millimeter diameter, which fits perfectly on my wrist. And the 44 millimeters lug to lug will allow this timepiece to wear nicely on larger wrists as well. I selected the leather strap because I didn't need to size it. But if I went with a metal bracelet, I would definitely choose the beads of rice straight because the lug area would never collect dirt and it gives the watch that vintage classic look. 4 important things to point out are: number 1, the easy to grab step hermetic crown allows easy hold to hand wind it and pull it out to set the time. Number 2, the crystal is acrylic like those on vintage watch. But if you're ever worried about the crystal getting scratched, get yourself a poly watch to remove the scratches easily. Number 3, the crown is unsigned, which I like very much as it matches appropriately for a watch with the 1930s or 1940s appearance. Lastly, the easy release spring bar holes on the lugs for safe and easy strap swapping. What I like about this watch is the case design, giving you that 1930s and 1940s color travel look. And the Breguet hour indexes are what stole my heart. Because of its smaller case dimension, like on a vintage watch, allows the dial to be more consolidated, ideally using up the space and making the watch more attractive. The leaf hand is a good choice and the off-center subdial makes it unique. Turn the watch over and you have a see-through case back showing a beautiful micro-rotor automatic movement. The movement is in Hangzhou caliber 5000A with 30 jewels. The smooth self-winding of the rotor allows the movement to charge up the mainspring quickly. There are 6 little screws to securely hold the case back firmly to the body of the case. If this is your first time wearing the watch, hand wind the crown a few times and give it a few shakes, which is enough to get the watch going. And as long as you wear the watch daily, you'll no longer need to hand wind it before you put it on. Next, pull the crown out to set the time and make sure that once you're done setting the time to push the crown back against the case. The current price of this MR01 ranges from 545 to 605 euros, depending on the band type selected during checkout. The warranty is for 24 months on all watches purchased on their website, with a free 14 days for return and free worldwide shipping. Overall, the watch and strap feel comfy on the wrist. I may be a bit biased since I love vintage watches, but this has to be one of the nicest micro-brand watches in the market. The classic look of the case, the low profile of the case, and those Breguet hour markers are enough to persuade you to purchase this watch. It feels like you're wearing a luxury timepiece, but only for a fraction of the price. The finish and texture of the dial change as you move your wrist. It is very mesmerizing. Testing the watch on the timing machine, Baltic could regulate it some more to give precise timing, but wearing it for a week, I can't complain as I did not need to hand wind or reset the time. That's the end of this video. If you enjoy me making more of these modern watch review videos, let me know in the comment section. Or feel free to let other watch company knows about my work, and maybe they will also offer me one of their timepieces to review. If you have any question regarding this watch I may have missed in this video, let me know in the comment section. There are more modern watch review video that you can locate in the channel's playlist. Thank you for taking the time out of your day to watch my video. I look forward to seeing you in the following video. Oh, and don't forget to support the channel by smashing on that thumbs up like button below and consider subscribing to the channel.